Hi traders, so in today's video I will talk about Warren Buffett and the lessons that you can learn from this giant trader who is actually my favorite trader of all time. And you know why? Because he is just a normal person. He's just a person and not some god like other just traders and hedge fund managers think they are. And at the end of the day, they just jump out of a window and from a top of a building because they are stressed out like fuck and they can't handle it, but they have to pretend like they are gods, and it is just bullshit. And Warren Buffett is actually a normal guy who is a trader, and he loves what he is doing, and it is the key to trading and to any profession, that you have to love what you are doing, because if you are just doing it for the money, or you are doing it for just bad purposes that are not make you happy, then you will be miserable in any position and with any kind of money and any amount of money. So I see so many traders just start trading because of that one fucking element, that is money, and trading is just not about it, because trading is an extremely difficult just a game of logic, and if you just don't enjoy the ride to figure out new patterns and code, program scripts and algorithms, and just analyze the market and listen to the heartbeat of the price action, then you won't be a profitable trader. And so if you start trading, just decide why, just ask for yourself why you are doing it, why you want to be a trader, because it will tell you just much about yourself and why you are failing or why you are profitable in trading. So let's start this video. Warren Buffett can teach you very good lessons about the market, and actually I read his books, and I followed many things about his trading style and investing style rather, and I'm still surprised how precisely and accurately he describes the market. And so the first thing is that he says that don't watch the market closely, and it is just God, because I've talked about this in many videos of mine, that if you are just constantly watch the markets and watch your positions, and you don't sleep, don't eat, don't make love, and you are just a complete robot in trading, and you are just at the computer all day, it is bad. You have to be a robot in different ways. You have to think like a robot, but in the other areas of your life you have to be a human, because that's the only way that you can stay focused and you can keep your emotions in check. So this is the first. The second is the following: be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. And this is so powerful, because this is the Bitcoin, everyone's saying Bitcoin and cryptos, and they don't know what they are talking about. The 99% of the people who talk about these things don't even know what the fuck they are talking about. They are just scammers, and they are just dumb people who try to be rich quick, and it won't work. And so this is one of the best advices that I talked about the sentiment in indexes, that when traders are overly optimistic, then you have to go in the opposite direction, because if you go in the direction where all the traders go, then what does it mean? You will fail, because 99% of traders are losers. So this is just logical. This is a pattern that you can see if you are even if you are not that intelligent, you know. So but you are intelligent because you watch this channel, and only intelligent people watch this channel. I am sure about this. This is 100% truth. So yeah, this is another really important aspect. And the last that I want to bring you today is just to be happy. And I know it sounds just not like a real advice, but it is, because if you are not happy, then why the fuck you are doing this? Why are you want to be a trader if you are not happy? And if you are not happy, you won't be as successful as your potential would let you, and you won't feel the success anyway if you are not happy. So if you are not happy during trading, then just quit trading and start a new business, start a new thing that you are in love with and you are love doing. And I'm serious about this, because only then you can be happy and successful in your life and won't regret your whole life when you are 100 years old. And you know, you won't say that, oh, if I did this and did that, it would be so much better because I would have been, you know, happier in my life. But you can't change the past. So leave your moments in this place called Earth just as, you know, as fulfilling as you can, and don't just try to do what you love to do. And if trading is a step to your, you know, to your actual passion and stuff, that is also good, because you have a great goal that is not just money and greediness. But yeah, so I actually love trading and traveling, and I combine those two things so I can be free and I can be a nomad trader. So this was today's video. I hope it was useful for you, just a little bit of motivation for today. And you know, just tell me in the comments if you want videos like this in the future. Ciao.